Hi, have you ever struggled taking screenshots on Windows PC? I will show you the easier way. Hotkey for that is Windows Shift S. Your screen gets darker, highlight the area you want to take a snapshot. Then in the right bottom corner you can click on the image you just created. Then you can edit it right away. You can highlight the text you want with the color you want. You can underscore it. You can even use ruler for that if you want it. And then you can save it, or you can copy it directly in the document you are writing in, like so. I hope it helped you to create your own documents, to create new pictures. See you next time.